How to make money with Shein affiliate program. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I talk about Shein affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Shein affiliate program is, it's a marketing initiative offered by Shein that allows you to earn commission by promoting Shein products on your website, blog, or social media channels. Participants in the program, known as affiliates, receive unique tracking links that they can use to promote Shein's vast range of products. When a customer makes a purchase through an affiliate's link, the affiliate earns a commission on the sale. Most of you guys know what Shein is with its various products. Over 2 million items on their store, and they're constantly coming out with new fashion product. Shein has become one of the largest and most popular web store now. So that's why I can say you can or you have more chance to earn money by being an affiliate program in Shein. But the question is how we can sign up. As you can see, there is no link to get to Shein affiliate program. So what you can or what you have to do is using this website CG called cg.com. This website will help you to join and become an affiliate program in Shein. CG got a lot of brands and Shein is one of the partner. To more understand and get informations, you can just read the details in this website. For example, platform solutions, partnerships. As you can see here, we have advertiser, publisher, agency, and influencer. Here we have resources and about the website. If you scroll down over here, we have here if you want to get started as advertiser and agencies, and if you want to sign up as a publishers and influencers. So as affiliate, this is the one you gotta choose. You can click just over here, sign up, and then you will get to this web page. You will fill in language. You can select language, country, your email, your password, then you confirm your password, and then you will verify your email. After accepting terms and conditions in your website, you will have this page or this home page. To activate your account, you need to add user information and complete profile, added property, submit forms, and then you will added your payment information, and then you will answer some question to help them set you on the right path. And here, if you want to learn more about publisher tools and how to get started in the web network, so let's click, for example, over here. So if you click and add a new user, you can or we have here first name, your email, your title, your password, last name, phone, your status. Here we have if you are operator or analyzer or link user, and here we have you confirm your password. And then here we have the communication preference. If you will have account news or legal, financial, and for advertiser communication, is it advertiser messaging or program term change or deactivation and reactivation. Next one is complete your profile. Here we have to write the description. You can just click over here, edit, and then you will write your this description. The third one is added property. Let's click over here. So here you can choose your promotional properties by clicking here, create property, and then you will select which one you will use. Is it website, social, email, mobile app, browser extensions, services and tools, paid display ads, paid search engine marketing, and or you don't not see your property type listed here. And then you will define your promotional model. Is it a content blog media, coupon deal, or product comparison, or reviews or discovery, or loyalty cashback, loyalty non-cash rewards, loyalty closer user group, and trademarker bidding, influencer, pay per call, or you do not see your promotional model listed here. And then you will name your property promotional property name, and here it's optional, by the way. You will describe your property. So for example, let's see over here, if you choose social, that means you will utilize your social media channels such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest to promote Shein's product. Then you will share affiliate links along with engaging caption, images, or videos that highlight the benefits of feature of the product you're promoting. So you can choose the one suits you more, and then let's move to the next one. Let's click over here, submit forms. So here you will write or fill an organization name and your address, your city or town, and your state or province or country, postal code, country, and then your phone, your fax, your functional currency, language, and date format. And here we have you if you want to limit initial search results to country of location. Here, if you complete your company details and tax information before you can enter your banking information, and then we have here you can just answer some questions to help them set you on the right path. So this is the questions, and then you will select the answers. Here we have no, or I don't know, or yes, and then you will submit the answers and you will activate your account, and then you will, or you can start earn money. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it's been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.